Hello guys, this is Richa. Welcome to my channel Awesome Blossom English Learner. So I hope you will be fine and so much happy by God's willing. But some person not fine because of COVID-19, because of losing the job, because of stole the business. So that's why that person also took depression, stress, because of they also hasn't options according to them. But I wanna tell to them, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So please listen to me carefully, especially for them. Okay? So once upon a time there was a child 4 or 5 years old, and he was abnormal according to the teacher. And one day his principal called his mom, and he consulted to his mom that your child is not normal into the class. Whenever we also teach into the class, and all students also focus on the study, but his mind not on the educations. I also notice every time during the playing, during the studies. So that's why your children is not fine and your children is abnormal. And after that his mom not too much fine, and he also so much crying. But after come the school, he asking to his mom, what happened? Why did teacher call you? At the time, mom is told him that because you are a genius, you are really very genius. That's why principal telling to me that school is not for you. That's why he also saying about you that now you can studies in home by me. At that time, okay mom, I also complete my education by home with you. Okay. And okay, at that time actually his mom also teacher, so that's why he also teach like as a son, and he also giving every time practical knowledge. He also telling story whenever she teach to him. At that time she tried every time by stories. Okay. And she also giving a knowledge of practical knowledge. She focus every time practical knowledge related to the magnet, a lot of things. Okay. But when he was 12 years old, and he started to sell the newspaper in a train, and he also used to go into the train daily, and he also made a box into the train, and he also doing some experiment into the train. One day what happened, by him something is throwing into the train, and due to these things train burnt. After that, train's officers slapped hard on his cheek. Due to the slapped hard, he became defeat. Due to the deaf, he also happy. He also not taking a negative thoughts, and even he also saying, "Chalo अच्छा हुआ, now I am defeat." Even all people also saying something, any kind of abusing and bad words about me. So of course I have no need to listen to them. So this thing is took a positive way by him. You know guys, that person, who is he? He is a great scientist, Edison, or Thomas Edison. He's a great scientist of America. He's developed a bulb. He developed a light bulb 1879. He developed a light bulb 1879. By him, by him, by his experiment, people couldn't use candles and gas lights because by Thomas Edison developed the bulb. By Thomas Edison that bulb, no anyone need to use candle because his bulb for in a home, that means that bulb could be used in home. Even that bulb also continue the power a long term. That's why. And after that he also invented telephone. He also invented telephone, phonograph, which recorded sound. And after that he also invented a lot of things like light bulb, telephone, a lot of things he also invented. You know why I shared to his story? I also can say in a like simple way that story is related of Thomas Edison, but I didn't tell in a beginning because I wanna aware to you all that if that person according to his teacher, according to everyone, that Thomas Edison was a abnormal, but he also doing great. He also now he was a scientist of America. He also invented a lot of things. I also can't continue. He also invented a lot of things. According to the people, he was abnormal, but he proved. Same here, I wanna tell to everyone, it's okay. If you have lost the job, you start the business, it's okay. You have experience, you have certificates, degrees, education. In fact, you all are educated. It's okay. You haven't lost the job, but you have a lot of time to spending with the family in COVID-19. Even God gave you challenge. God gave you challenge, and you can say a golden chance in your life. You can think. It can be say. God give you chance to doing something by you. Maybe by you anything is special, unique. That's why your job, your business, that. So please, if Thomas Edison can do, why can you not do? Why can we not do? Of course, we can do because we are normal, not abnormal. Abnormal person can do all things, can invented all things. So of course, we all are normal, educated, degree, all things. So I gonna share with you. Please don't be think too much and don't be think negative. Think positive, result positive, like as a Thomas Edison. So now be happy and you just think about the Thomas Edison. That Thomas Edison did invented a lot of things. How can you not do that? Of course you can by your experience, but you will have to keep passion and patient, both are things. Patience is very, very important, like as a Thomas Edison. So if you listen carefully my story, so please guys, if my story is really very good, and please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.